Hello children, today we will do question number 5 of exercise 11.1. Okay, here first of all we have to draw a triangle in which the side BC is given. So all of you know how to draw a line segment. See, so first of all you have to draw a line segment equal to 6 centimeter. See, like this, and name it as BC because it is given in the question. Then angle ABC is given to be 60 degree. What is the meaning of angle ABC? ABC means angle B. So angle B is 60 degree. So you have to draw with the B as center, draw an angle of 60 degree. Right? See. With B as center, draw an arc like this. Rub the extra part. And then make it dark. Then with this point as center, draw an arc. Right? So then we join A to this point of intersection. See, so this is 60 degree. Then AB is equal to 5 centimeter. It is also given in the question. So first we measure the line segment equal to 5 centimeter. See, in this way, 5. Measure like this, and with B as center, because AB is 5, that means BA is 5, AB is equal to BA. So with B as center and radius equal to 5, draw an arc like this and name this point of intersection, say A. Right, because AB is 5 centimeters, so you write 5 centimeter here. Now join A to C. Join A to C. Right? So ABC is the triangle according to the given measurement. BC is 6, angle B is 60 degree, BA is 5, and then we join A to C. Now we have to draw another triangle which is similar to this triangle, but whose sides are 3 by 4 times the corresponding sides of this triangle. As 3 by 4 is proper fraction, so the triangle, the sides of the another triangle will be smaller than this given triangle. Right? 3 by 4 times the corresponding sides. So whenever proper fraction is given, then we have to construct a triangle similar to the given whose sides are smaller than the corresponding sides of the given triangle. So below BC, draw any acute angle like this. As the given fraction is 3 by 4, and in 3 by 4 the greater number is 4, so we have to draw 4 equal arcs. See, like this, with B as center. With suitable compass you can open, because there is no exact measurement compass measurement of this arc is given. Okay, so you have to draw 1, 2, 3, then 4 arcs like this, and name them A1, right, A2, A3, A4. Right? Then with this last arc you have to join this C point. That means join A4 to C. A4 is this and C is this. Join them. Right? Then with third arc, because the ratio is 3 by 4, with third arc as center, we have to draw this as center. We have to draw a line parallel to this A4C. See how to draw this line. With A4 as center, first of all, with suitable radius, mark an angle like this. Then with A3 as center and the same radius, draw another arc like this. Then you have to measure this angle. Measure this angle. And with this as center, draw an arc. And that angle will be equal to this given angle. Okay. Now, how will we draw the same exact angle? Measure the angle like this. And this is the initial point. This is the final point. Put your compass and pencil here. Right. So measure this angle and then draw the arc. See like this. This is center. Draw an arc. Now see, this angle is equal to this. So with third arc and this point of intersection, you have to join them. And when you join them, then this line is parallel to this given line. See, so intentionally we have made this these angles, the measure of these angles same. They are corresponding angles, so line will be parallel. Now this parallel line intersect the BC line at a point, name it as C dash. As it is C, so we name it as C dash. Then now with C dash as center, we have to draw a line parallel to CA in a similar manner. Again, with any suitable radius, with C as center, mark an angle like this. Then with C dash as center, again mark an angle. Then measure the angle. How we measure the angle? This is the initial point, this is the final. Measure this angle. Now, with this as center, mark an arc, so that the measure of this angle is equal to this. And with C dash and this point of intersection, you have to join these two points, this and C dash. Adjust the ruler accordingly. Now this another parallel line which is parallel to CA intersect this BA line segment at a point, name it as A dash. Right? Sorry for disturbance in between. See. Now A dash B C dash is the required triangle. So you can write here A dash B C dash, right, is the required triangle. Sometimes you can show it by shading it also like this, right? So this shaded triangle is the required similar triangle